Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And today I wanted to share with you a Tuesday tutorial featuring the Erin Condren designer sticker books. You can actually get all three as a bundle over at QVC right now for a phenomenal deal. You get the Classic Collection Edition 3, Classic Collection Edition 4, and Classic Edition 5. And these are great for everything from your planners and calendars, but also your scrapbooking and card making. And there's I believe it's over 400 designs in each of these books. So you're getting a ton of different designer stickers and elements, everything from beautiful little quotes that we're going to use on cards today to like checkbox stickers. There's beautiful metallics and phrases and circles and everything for like your birthday, happy birthday. There's clear stickers as well. So there's just so many different options in here that I'm really anxious to show you as we make a few cards today. Little tags and pennants and even little border stickers. There's just a ton of options to really create and customize your planners and your calendars and have some fun with making and creating. And when you can get this many stickers at a phenomenal deal, kind of can't help but say, go for it, do it, have fun with it, enjoy the gold foil, the silver foil, and just have fun making and creating. These are some of the clear stickers that don't have that white background. So you just have so many options. I love them. Okay, so I already had a card here. The only other things that I'm using besides the stickers, I have my bone folder. I have a Fiskars 1¼ inch circle punch. I have some paper. This is designer paper from Miss Kate's Cuttables. This is called the Be Brave, and it's actually the the December kit that we featured inside She Makes Club. So I wanted to use just that one piece and then some solid colored cardstock. So I thought it would be fun to create with this. So this is actually the packaging from the sticker book that I decided to cut to 4 inches by 5¼ inches. So it fits on the front of my A2 size card with just a little bit of white background. This is just a standard A2 size card. And I'm going to grab my ATG to do a little bit of adhesive. And then what I wanted to do with this was grab one of the circle stickers inside here. I really loved the Thank You, and I love the Be Brave one. I thought both were really pretty, but I think we're going to use the Be Brave because I love that kind of theme and feel. And these are just the 1/4 inch punched out, or I believe it's 1½ inch. I'm sorry, I said 1¼ It's 1½ inch Fiskars circle punch. And this is the Be Brave. And I'm just going to kind of place these in a fun little pattern. There's no rules. Just want to have a little bit of fun. I like the little llama on this one, so that's what I'm trying to like figure out how I want to place it that the llama shows on this circle and coordinates. So you have a little bit of the llama, a little bit of the leaf, or that's actually a feather, and then the other circle here. So now I'm just going to, once I have that position, I'm going to use my ATG on both these, just a few strips to keep it all together. And then Be Brave, which is super cute. And then I thought I could grab one of the strips, which you can use these for everything from cards, and I like to use them in my planners to like block out weeks at a time. Like if I'm going on vacation or doing something like that, you can really block out with these little strips as well. But they make really, really pretty embellishments for cards and for scrapbook pages too. So I'm just going to make it the length of my card base here, and I'm just going to trim it with some paper snips. And then press it all the way down. here, and poking out from the side. We can just kind of poke a little bit out from the side to the edge of the designer paper too. And it almost just creates a little anchor and a little bit more of that extra metallic shimmer. So there's card one, just really simple, fun ways to just use stickers and make cards and it just feel like creative. You know, it's really what I'm all about with this. So now this is the same thing. This is again packaging. I thought the colors were perfect and why let it go to waste. And I'm using this on old olive cardstock from Stampin'Up. And this is more of that Miss Kate's Cuttables paper. I just really like the way the colors go together. So I thought I'd work this together and then find the stickers that I want to use for this guy. We're going to go all the way to the edge of this, kind of like here. And then I like the Follow Your Bliss. There was one of these that I was like, oh, I think that's what I'm going to use on this card in particular. Don't wish for it, work for it. This is your moment. Plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. Make life big. Here, this is the one I was going to do. You are bigger than your circumstances. I thought that was awesome. So there's today is another chance to get better. Challenges are what make life interesting. Let go and move on. Remember why you started. Don't give up. Great things take time. Success starts with a plan. Writing it down is the first step. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. Appreciate the beauty within and around you. There's just so many beautiful inspirational quotes and ideas on each one of these cards. I'm just going to go in the corner with this guy. And then I thought it would be really great to grab just a couple of these metallic kind of elements here and just, you can see it's actually clear in the center of that little asterisk star. So whatever color you put it on is what color you'll see, which is a lot of fun. So we'll do 3 of those in a row. And that will be card 2. So they're not taking a lot of time. You can just play and mix and match the colors and patterns that really, you know, speak to you. Okay, card number 3. We're going to use a blush color pink. And this one I'm going to get a little bit crazier on, I think, in using several different stickers. I kind of want it to do the like honeycomb kind of feel. So I'm gonna grab a bunch of these guys and just sort of place them in the honeycomb kind of pattern. In a way that makes sense to me. Excuse me. So like 5 of those. And then there's, oh yeah, in the back, there's all these like to from, enjoy to from. So you can do like actual tags to just throw, like keep these in the car and just throw them on a gift bag or whatever it would be to, you know, give a little gift on the go. Oh, here we go. These are some of those clear ones. Work hard and be proud of what you achieve. There's a birthday one. When you know what to do what you know. Let's see. Let's grab. I felt like I had like one particular one in mind for this. Of course, I always end up you know what? I want to use this You've Got This. This is a metallic clear You've Got This, and I love that. Let's use this one. And we'll just put it right down here along the bottom here. And that can be our card number 3. You could add extra embellishments or even like round the corners using your corner chomper, or you know, add some extra like 3D embellishments. But just for ease of doing these quickly, we'll just round corners just to give it a little something extra. Okay, so there's card number 3. Card number 4, I'm going to use just these circles because I think they're so cute. And then these are just 1.5 inch circles cut out with my Fiskars punch. So I'm going to place these on the card first. And I'm going to use some of the teal and some of the animals. And I love the one that says "You Are Magic" because I think it's so cute. Well, I think they're all so cute. So really, I'm just being kind of ridiculous to say like it's any more cute than any of the other ones, because really they're all stinking adorable in my opinion. There's so many uses for these stickers, and it's just such a phenomenal deal. I can't be like, I don't know, I just can't pretend it doesn't exist because it's just too good. And then it says "You Are Magic," and it's like the transparent, and that'll just go right here. And this is definitely getting the rounded corners of the 1/2 inch corner round, especially with all the circles. Really simple. I just felt like I wanted to sit and like whip out and create some cards today. That's kind of what it felt like. Let's just do some cards. Okay, so I could either use the animals, which are adorable, or just the teal. I think we'll use just the teal, and we'll go down the center of this card, and we'll use a couple of the designer strips on each side, and then maybe this heart is kind of speaking to me right off the bat. So we'll probably use the heart and just a little bit of encouragement on this one. 1/2 inch corner round. And I stinking love this heart. Go right here. And we'll do this trust. Oh, no, let's just do "Hello, Lovely." I mean, that's an easy. Yes, "Hello, Lovely." That is perfect. And then we're going to add a colorful strip or 2. So, oh, this one's perfect. This is perfect. The designs all coordinate and match so well that you really can't go wrong mixing, matching, and creating what speaks to your heart. You really can just have so much fun with it. And we'll trim that off. And we'll do the same little thing right here with this little guy. Kind of make it come out of the side, but we'll trim off the edge of it so that it matches the corner of the card. So we'll stick it down here, make it go across, and then we'll make it match the edge of the card just by grabbing that corner rounder again, and we can make it match. Perfect. These stickers are just a blast. Again, you can check them out on QVC. They're also available on Erin Condren's website. I will leave both links in the description, but it's such a phenomenal bundle deal that I couldn't resist leaving it here for you. Like I said, I really use them in my planning, my calendars, my scrapbook pages, and my cards. And you can just sit in moments time. This was what, 10 minutes long, and yes, I kind of looked through and had a little inspiration, but to make 5 cards without having to pull out the Cricut or the ink and the stamps and everything, and really just have them look put together and so adorable. I think it's a lot of fun. So I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the moments. I would love to have you come along board our She Makes Club and make with us on a more personal level every single month. And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.